What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create an email marketing campaign on your Wix website. So let's get right to it. So as you can see here, I'm on my Wix dashboard or main page where I can view my sites, the sites that I created earlier. And here you need to choose the website that you want to run your marketing ads on. So let's for example choose this one, the My Site 10. And you want to click on the site that you want to create the email marketing campaign for. And here it'll open up the site's dashboard. Now from the menu on the left here, you want to scroll down to marketing or go to marketing. And then here click on email marketing. You'll also find other types of marketing such as Google Ads, Facebook and Instagram, social media marketing and coupons. However, in this video, we'll focus on email marketing. So click on email marketing. And here you'll be asked to choose a template. So here you have 3 templates. You can edit them, of course, I'll show you how, or you can start from a scratch, from a blank page and add your elements as you go. However, it's easier to start editing a ready-made template. So let's say I like this one, the blue one. So I'll click on edit template. And here you can edit all the elements on your email campaign or your email page, as I say. And here you can add elements. So you can add text, images, buttons, dividers, HTML codes, columns and logo and so much more here. And you can also click on any part of the email page to edit it. So let's say I want to edit this text right here. So if I click on this top part or header, I can highlight the text to change it. So let's say test campaign. I can also move this element down or up. I can duplicate it or delete it. And now, once I edited the text itself, I can even generate the text with AI. Now I can edit the format. So let's edit the heading type, large, medium, or small heading. Okay, let's try small paragraph or large paragraph, sorry. Now let's return it to large heading. We can change the font size, to control the size that we want. And we can also choose the font itself. Okay, looking good. Let's decrease the font size a bit. Okay, now we can edit the style, so bold, italic, underlined, and we can edit the text color. Let's make it red. Okay, sorry. We need to highlight the text. Let's make it red. Okay, now it's red. And we can even, let's highlight it once again. We can even add a highlight. Edit the alignment in the center, in the right or the left, add a link or remove link if you want to, and so much more. And now you can here click on the design tab to edit the background color. So let's make it like the fill color, like a lighter blue. The border width, let's edit it or increase and decrease it. Now here you can edit the pending, the top pending, or like the space at the top, the space at the bottom, left and right. Okay, and now once you are happy with the changes, you can apply them. Okay, and you can do the same with each element. Now this element has a photo, not text, so the settings are different. You can change the image, and here you have the image size. So let's change the image first. It'll open up the image library. Here you have the files that you can upload, or you can choose media from Wix or Shutterstock or Unsplash. For this video, I'll choose like media from Wix. So let's choose this picture, add to page, and here the picture is now replaced. Now you can add a link. So once your customer clicks on this image, he gets a link. However, I'll not do this right now, so I'll disable it. Now in the design, you can edit the image size. You can make it in the center, on the right, or on the left. You can edit the background that appears here once you make the image smaller. So here, let's make it like blue. And now we can edit the border width of the image and the border color. So let's make a large border and add like a red color. So I'm doing this, of course, randomly. However, you get the point of what you can do. And if we click here on a button, of course, the settings will vary depending on the element that you choose, the title of the element. And here you can edit the text on the button itself. So it says read more. Let's, like, for example, click me. Okay. And here you can redirect it to a URL a document or a standalone form. So if you want to redirect your customers, for example, to a Google form to gather information and stuff like that. And here, the URL that will redirect automatically, that's my Wix Studio address. And in the design here, you can edit the font as well. You can edit the text color. Let's make it yellow. You can edit the fill color. Let's make it green. Okay, dark green. And the border width, as well as the border color, the shape, and the alignment. Let's make it in the middle. Background fill color, the border width. Okay, let's make a border and fill it with like black. Okay, so you get the idea here that you can control each and every element in your email. And now here, if we click on the text here, right here, we can edit the text as well. Here you have a shape or a divider. You can edit, if you click on the line itself, on the divider, you can edit the divider type. So let's make it this shape. And here you have an arrow shape or an image, as an image. You can here edit it or crop it if you want to. And you get the idea. Here you have your social media icons. So if you click here on the footer, you can customize it. Here you have the show Wix branding, the address. You can show your address here. It will appear here, your phone number. You can disable these elements if you want to. You can add your social links here or disable them. However, I want to add them. You can add here Facebook, Twitter, or Pinterest, and you can link here to each of them. So if I can disable and enable each of them, and you can add a link to your website. That's check out our site right here. You can disable it if you want to or enable it once again. Okay, now and here, if you go to design, you can design also the font color, the icon color, and the separator color if you want to. So let's make the separator like red. Okay, these separators line these like vertical lines here that separates these elements. And we can edit the font color as well. Let's make it like a purple color. Okay, this looks good. And here I forgot to mention that you can edit also the action that will happen once your client clicks on like these social media icons. You can have them share this email, or you can link to their to your social media accounts. And if you use this option to link to your social media accounts, you can edit or add your social media account. So here you can add your Facebook page, a link to your Facebook page. You can add your Instagram account, a link to your Instagram account. So once the customer clicks on these icons, they will be redirected to a social media account. You can also add other social media such as YouTube, Pinterest, LinkedIn, X or SoundCloud, X or Twitter, of course, SoundCloud, TikTok. And here, once you are happy, you can apply them. And now you can add elements. So let's say I want to add another image right here. You can add it if you want to. Just drag and drop. It's a pretty simple drag and drop editor. And now let's choose an image from Shutterstock for food, for example. Let's search for food. Okay, let's choose this image. Of course, Shutterstock images are not free. However, you can buy them from within here, this like pop-up. So let's add media from Wix. These are free. Let's add this one. Add to page. And now the image is added and you can edit it as I showed you. Now you can edit the themes as well. So you can edit the theme and the text and the colors for the email itself. As you can see, the look and feel has changed. And you can edit as well the color scheme. Okay. You can edit the background. You can add background image instead of a color. And you can also generate items with AI. So now once you are happy with all the changes that you made, you can go ahead and click next. Or if you go back, you can, like in the create, let's go back, you can preview and test here. So if click on preview and test, it'll give you a clickable and interactive preview of your email. So here I can scroll down and view. I can click here on the buttons to open up the pages. Okay, let's close it for now. And now let's go to back to editing. And here you can add contacts name, email addresses, label segments, and you can also import contacts if you want to. So continue to import contacts, and you can manage here. Click on to manage your contacts. It'll redirect you to your site's dashboard in your contacts here. So let's go back. Okay, and for this video, I'll just choose all the contacts that I have. So choose all. and then click on next. And now you get the campaign overview. You can view here the design. You can send a test email to customers. And here you can edit the subject line. So let's edit it, add a subject. Okay, it generates our latest update. Let's leave it as it is. Now the sender details, you can manage them and edit the, say, your details that will appear. You can edit the recipients as well. And now you can schedule it, or you can send the email marketing campaign right now. So that's how easy it is to create email marketing campaigns on Wix.